Hey guys, this is your girl Berry Dow. If this is your first time of stopping by, please subscribe, comment, like, share. So, in today's video, I'll be putting us through on how you can hide your subscribers. You don't want people to see your subscribers on YouTube, and I'll be showing us on how you can access your desktop sites through your app. So, let's get into the video. First of all, what you do, you open your app, your YouTube app. Sorry, excuse me. Then so you open your YouTube app and then you see your profile picture up there. Sorry, you see your profile picture up there. You tap on it. Then you scroll up and you tap on your data in YouTube. You scroll up again. You click on your subscriptions. So at this point, what you do is that you have to zoom it so that you can see it clearly. So you click on your profile pics up there, and then you click on Creator Studio. Then you come down here, get the app. That's if you don't have the app, you can get the app and download it through Apple Store or whichever store. Then since I have the app, we'll have to click on Continue to Studio. It's loading. It's loading. Alright, so this is where we are now. Just scroll up. You have to zoom it again so that you can see it clearly. Then just scroll up or down, whichever one. So there is this setting icon here, over here. So you just have to tap on it, click on it. It will now bring you to this point. At this point, no, click on the settings. It will bring you at this point. Then what you now do is that you click on the channel. When you click on the channel, you click on the this is the channel we clicked, and then you click on advanced settings. Then you have to scroll down, scroll up, whichever one. So these are your settings, your audience settings. You just read it up, Then under here you see where they said subscriber counts, display the number of people subscribed to my channel. So if you want to display, that means people will be seeing the number of subscribers on your channel. But if you don't want to display, like I don't want to display, that's why that place is empty. So if I want to display, I'll just click here at this space bar, just click. That means your subscribers are going to show on your profile. But when you don't click on it, you leave the space bar. When you leave the space bar, your subscribers are not going to show again. So that is it. So after you're done with it, do not forget to save. So it has saved now. So let's get back to our profile and check. So as you can see, this is my profile and you cannot see my subscribers. That is how it's done. I hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share to your loved ones, to those that it might be helpful to. Okay, thanks for watching.